guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl B Boogie, and I'm back with another video. So today I want to start a new series on my channel, apartment decorating, house decorating, whatever. As you can see, I have new surroundings, a new home. Post-grad life is hitting me like a truck, okay? So we'll talk about that in another video, but I want to get into this one because I think it's hilarious. I needed a bar cart, and we'll see if this is a life hack or a bad decision. We're gonna see. I'm gonna let y'all decide, but let's get into the video. So what I did was I got this little thing from Ross for $8.99. This is a rolling cart, stylish storage for neat and tidy spaces. This is that's the box. That's what it looks like, and I didn't know how big or small it would be. I mean, of course there's like dimensions and whatnot, but who reads that when you're in Ross? Not me. So here we go. So hopefully a few bottles can fit on there. But we're not really trying to drink that often. I'm not, but you know, I'm not judging my roommates at all. You know, I'm just trying to be useful. So it came with some pieces. Yeah, so after looking at the pieces, I was like, oh, it's definitely gonna be pretty small, because that's about how wide it's gonna be. So let's put it together and see what's shabopping, you know? I did it! Okay, anyways, my neighbor is having something done to their house, I don't know, whatever, I'm gonna talk fast, but okay, so I finished it. It only took me like 10-ish minutes because I'm a little challenged. So yeah, let's see if some bottles fit in here, okay? Be right back. Please don't judge the amount of alcohol in my house. We just graduated from college. So, yeah, here we go. Got a little maker's mark. Hoo-hoo, it fits! I told y'all. Oh my gosh, it fits. Of course, you gotta put the tall ones on the top, because duh. But I'm hype. Well, the tall ones definitely gotta go on the top. But don't ask me why we have Amsterdam. Not all the alcohol is my alcohol. I don't drink tequila. Mom, if you're watching this, all this alcohol is not mine. Actually, none of it's mine. So don't judge me, Mom. It's my roommates. I love them, but they like to turn up. Okay, so let's see. Will it? Yeah, the middle shelf and the bottom shelf will definitely be for the smaller bottles, obviously, because can't put this gigantor on the bottom. But I think it's $8.99. For $8.99, I think it does the job. It's cute, it's useful, it's sturdy, it's metal, so I think it gets the job done, and it's cute, and it matches our house. Our house is gray. This is gray. $8.99, I'm not mad at it. It's the bottles that can fit at the bottom. Of course, not that much stuff can fit on the bottom. but that top shelf will definitely get a lot of use. So yeah, I'm not mad at it. I feel like that's $8.99 well spent. So now that I have my cute little shelf, I'm content. $8.99 has been well spent. I can finally get all this alcohol out of my refrigerator. So yes, where am I gonna put all my roommate's wine? That I don't know, because I would need several of these. No, I'm just kidding, she don't have that much wine. But yeah, I'm very content. Again, this is from Ross. It was $8.99. It is a 3-tier rolling cart. It is wire, so these are 3 wire baskets. So as far as height goes, you're definitely gonna have to put your taller bottles on top, obviously. But Maker's Mark, which is a pretty small type bottle, can go on the bottom. So if you have any bottles that are about the size of Maker's Mark, or like a personal bottle of Hennessy, like personal bottles could definitely go on the middle and the bottom. Maker's Mark could definitely go on the middle and the bottom. Parmesan, what else? Parmesan, Crown Royal, like those smaller type bottles could definitely go in the middle or the top. So I definitely, you know, will get some use out of my little cart, honey. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. Yeah, so I'm excited. You can also put like wine glasses and stuff. So hold on, one last thing. I just had an idea. So if you have like cups and stuff that you want to put in here, I think this would be cute. You can easily just put your little, my roommate has these really cute like red Solo cups, but they're actually like real plastic. So if you want to put these on here, they can definitely go on like the middle shelf, bottom shelf, whatever. So cute. Like, this is really a very cute addition to, you know, a starter home. I think this is definitely a starter home for us. Obviously, we just graduated from college, so having something like this, $8.99 compared to how bar carts are like $60, $100, I would definitely do this, because nobody is trying to pay $60 or $100 for a bar cart. Like, no. And it's something that sits in the corner and basically collects dust, but it holds onto your alcohol. So we're gonna roll on out. Thank y'all for watching. And again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Because we got more content like this coming. So I'm gonna be, you know, DIYing and HGTVing it up in my new crib. So if you want to see me do that on a budget, on a law school student budget, like, comment, and subscribe, okay? All right, we gonna roll out. We gonna, we on a rug. That's what it is. All right, bye.